welcome to the Chronicles. We are happy that you are here, for nothing happened by accident. You were born to be here this very moment. The Chronicles are events that happen chronologically that leads you standing exactly where you are. Each and every one of you that are here, there has been sacrifices that have been made from the time before you were born. Your ancestors have paid a dear price, and your parents have continued to pay the price so you can be born in this land or come to this land where you can make something of yourself. But it's not in vain. We ourselves have chronicles. We have legends to look up to. We have immortals to look up to, and we have heroes to be. And this is why we put on the conference. And this is why you're here tonight. We each have a chronicle. Fellow Haitians and non-Haitians, these are my chronicles. I was born in a small city with no glitz, no glamour, no silver spoons. Besides the bloodline of legends and the oral stories of our past glory, the only thing my city offered was a fighting spirit. I pray the Almighty God to rise up a generation of leaders that will face the problems and obstacles that we face. I stand staring at the horizon and working as hard as I can, awaiting those who will join us to make a stand. We stand and we hold the line, and we say the line must be drawn here no further, and that we must take a stand, and we must stand with Haiti and our community. No more being anonymous. It is time that we reveal ourselves. Take heed and become the heroes and immortals and the legends we were born to be. Brothers and sisters, the time has come. No matter what your chronicle is, it's time for you to stand. Stand with Haiti. Join the movement. No more silence, no more anonymous. Stand with Haiti. Join the movement.